In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record bank transactions manually in Zoho Books, a comprehensive guide for 2025. We'll take a detailed stroll through this process, helping you record your transactions with clarity and ease in this feature-rich financial application. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to head over to your Zoho Books dashboard. This is your starting point where you can access all the features that Zoho Books has to offer. Locate and click on the highlighted section on your dashboard. This action will bring up a series of options for managing your transactions. Next, you're going to look for the bank transfer option. Clicking here is essential as it opens up the pathway to manage any transfers between accounts, allowing you to keep accurate records of your financial movements. Following this, click on the highlighted section once again. You'll notice that this is a recurring step as Zoho Books emphasizes the ease of navigation through its intuitive interface. After highlighting, proceed by clicking on Petty Cash. This step is crucial for those smaller, everyday transactions which need just as much attention as larger ones. Now move over to the section titled Transfer to Another Account. Click on it. This is where you specify where your funds are going. It's important to ensure you've selected the correct accounts to maintain financial accuracy. Then go ahead and click on Continue. What this does is progress your process, guiding you towards selecting the accounts involved in your transaction. You're nearly at the finish line. Next, you will click on Select an Account. This is where you choose which account you're transferring funds to. It's important to carefully select the right account to prevent any clerical errors in your records. Once you've made your selection, look for Employee Advance and click on it. This feature is particularly useful for handling advances paid to employees, which needs to be accurately recorded in your accounts. In the next step, you'll need to type in the highlighted section, which typically requires details such as the transaction amount or reference number. This information is vital for keeping a precise account of the financial flow between your accounts. Once this is completed, find From Account and give that a click. Choosing the right source account ensures your books remain balanced and correct. Finally, wrap up this process by clicking on Save. This action confirms and records your transaction in Zoho Books, making it part of your official accounting records. Saving your work ensures that all information is documented and can be referenced with ease when needed. Congratulations, you've now successfully recorded a bank transaction manually in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you ensure detailed and accurate record keeping, which is crucial for any business. Keep practicing these steps, and soon enough, they'll become second nature. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful guides.